हो गया सर? Hello guys, I am from Gaugraj Maths Hub. I shall explain question number line that has been taken from exercise 6.2, chapter 6 NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is prove that y equal to 4 dot sin theta over 2 plus cos theta in center minus theta is an increasing on theta in close interval 0 comma pi by 2 close interval. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that here you can see in the given function first term 4 sin theta over 2 plus cos theta is a quotient function. Here minus is available and here theta is a polynomial function. Y is an increasing on theta in close interval 0 comma pi by 2 close interval. So here I shall write given that y equal to 4 sin theta over 2 plus cos theta minus theta is an increasing on theta in close interval 0 comma pi by 2 close interval. Here again I shall write since theta belong to close interval 0 comma pi by 2 close interval implies that the value of theta will be 0 comma pi by 6 comma pi by 4 comma pi by 3 comma pi by 2. i.e. theta equal to 0 pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. Pi by 4 comma pi by 3 means 60 degree. Pi by 2 means 90 degree. Now again I shall write since y is an increasing on theta in close interval 0 comma pi by 2 close interval. Hence y dash will be greater than equal to theta. Implies that dy over d theta will be greater than or equal to theta. This is not theta 0. This will be 0. Here write 0. This is the theorem you must remember when y is an increasing on theta in closed interval 0, pi by 2 closed interval. Then y dash, here y is a function. First order derivative of y will be y dash. Y dash will be greater than or equal to 0 because y is an increasing function on theta. Implies that dy over d theta will be greater than or equal to 0. Hence, I shall find out dy over d theta. Here I shall write now y equal to 4 sin theta over 2 plus cos theta minus theta. So here again I shall write differentiating y wrt theta. We shall get implied that d over d theta of y equal to d over d theta of 4 sin theta whole over 2 plus cos theta minus d over d theta of theta. Imply that here you can see in center function y is available, in denominator theta is available. D will be conjugated with y, comes out to be dy over d theta. So here I shall write dy over d theta equal to, here you can see d over d theta equal d over d theta of 4 sin theta over 2 plus cos theta. Here I shall use quotient rule. By using quotient rule, we shall get, open here curly bracket, denominator into 2 plus cos theta dot denominator into first order derivative of numerator d over d theta of 4 sin theta minus numerator I shall write 4 sin theta dot d over d theta of denominator 2 plus cos theta whole over डिनोमिनेटर का होल स्क्वायर 2 प्लस cos थीटा का होल स्क्वायर कर्ली ब्रैकेट क्लोज माइनस and this is the minus sign I have written d over d theta of theta comes out to be 1. This thing you have got. Now what I shall do here, again I shall write implied that dy over d theta equal to, open here curly bracket, and this term 2 plus cos theta will be written as it is 2 plus cos theta dot d over d theta of 4 sin theta comes out to be 4 cos theta. So here I write 4 cos theta minus here 4 sin theta I shall write dot d over d theta of 2 plus cos theta comes out to be minus sin theta, because d over d theta of 2 comes out to be 0 plus d over d theta of cos theta comes out to be minus sin theta. Whole over I shall write 2 plus cos थीटा का होल स्क्वायर, और हियर आई शैल राइट -1 in center, curly bracket close. Now again simplify this one. dy over d theta equal to, open here curly bracket, and this one 4 cos theta will get enter inside, circle bracket will be broken. You will get here 4 2 is 8, 8 cos theta plus 4 cos square theta, 4 cos square theta. Here minus minus will multiply together, will get here plus 4 sin will theta will multiply to sin theta, comes out to be sin square theta. Whole over I shall write 2 plus cos theta का whole square. Here I shall write -1. Imply that dy over d theta equal to, here 8 cos theta, right here 8 cos theta plus 4 I shall write, or cos square theta plus sin square theta comes out to be 1. So here you will get plus 4 and whole over 2 plus cos theta का whole square. Here write in center -1. Again expand this one, dy over d theta equal to 8 cos theta plus 4 minus, in bracket I shall write 2 plus cos theta का whole square, whole over 2 plus cos theta का whole square. Imply that here I shall write dy over d theta equal to 8 cos theta plus 4, here write minus, and 2 plus cos theta का whole square will be expanded, a plus b का whole square. So you will get here -4 minus 2 का square -4 cos square theta you will get. So here write minus cos square theta plus, so here you will get minus 4 cos theta whole over 2 plus cos theta का whole square. Plus 4 minus 4 will be cancelled out. So here I shall write dy over d theta equal to 8 cos theta minus 4 cos theta comes out to be 4 cos theta. I here write minus cos square theta whole over 2 plus cos theta का whole square implied that dy over d theta equal to, here I shall take cos theta as a common. Another bracket it will become 4 minus cos theta whole over 2 plus cos theta का whole square. This thing you have got. dy over d theta equal to cos theta. Cos theta has been taken as a common from the both terms. Cos theta it will become here. Cos theta has been taken as a common. You will get 4 in the first term. I have written minus minus. Here you will get cos theta. So this thing you have got. Now what to do here? Here condition is there. Since here I shall write since theta belong to close interval 0 comma pi by 2. This is the condition it is given. In this case, cos theta will be greater than or equal to 0. Cos theta will be greater than or equal to 0 and 4 minus cos theta will be greater than 0. Implied that 4 will be greater than cos theta. This is inequality. So here minus cos theta is there in left hand side, will be moved back to right hand side. So it will become 4 will be greater than cos theta. This thing you have got. And also 2 plus cos theta का whole square will be greater than 0. 2 plus cos theta का whole square will be greater than 0 because 2 plus cos theta का whole square is there in denominator. The denominator must be greater than 0. So this term 2 plus cos theta का whole square will be greater than 0. This term will be greater than 0 and 4 is greater than cos theta, and here you will get cos theta equal to cos theta is equal to or greater than 0. These are the conditions we must write here, and moreover if we put theta equal to 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. In this equation, you will get always implied that cos theta dot 4 minus cos theta whole over 2 plus cos theta का whole square will be greater than 0. Will be greater than 0. Equal to will be there. So here I can write very well cos theta dot 4 minus cos theta whole over 2 plus cos theta का whole square greater than equal to 0. This condition is that implied that here I shall write dy over d theta greater than equal to 0. So here I can cite implied that y dash greater than equal to 0. Y dash is greater than or equal to 0. Hence, y is an increasing function in closed interval 0, pi by 2 closed interval. This is the way I have shown here, and you must also show this condition cos theta is greater than equal to 0. This term 4 minus cos theta will be greater than 0. You have to show it here. 4 is greater than cos theta and denominator 2 plus cos theta का whole square will be greater than 0. This statement from this place to this place you must show in order to prove this one. So finally dy over d theta will be greater than equal to 0. Y dash will be greater than equal to 0. Moreover, theta belong to closed interval 0, pi by 2 closed interval. The value of theta will take 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. If you put theta equal to 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2, in this equation here, we will see that dy over d theta will be greater than or equal to 0. This thing we will get. From this thing dy over d theta will be greater than equal to 0, implied that y dash will be greater than equal to 0. Hence y will be an increasing function in closed interval 0, pi by 2 closed interval. This is the way I have explained question number 9, exercise 6.2, chapter 6 NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.